So here it goes, buddy. We don't want to do too much with it because it's mounted with it near the trailer, but it's working. Go slower, faster. It's kind of funny because it looks like it's, when you look at it in here, it looks like it's going slower, but in real person, it's going real fast. Actually, that's the camera makes it look slow. You see how now it catches up when I go slow, and then when I go, that's crazy. Anyway, it's working, and this is how it's all. I got it all set up. Look at that. There's your batteries, and I got my battery charger in there. You can hear it even. What you think? Aces, right?